Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to open settings in Windows 11. In Windows 11, we can open settings in 4 different ways. First one, right-click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings option. Second one, click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings option. Third one, right-click on Taskbar. Click on Taskbar Settings. Fourth one, click on search icon present on the taskbar. Type Settings. Click on Settings option. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.